All right, Advanced Anatomy and Physiology crew, we are starting the last half of this course as soon as possible, and as soon as they're up, please review the exams. I always do my best to get those up as fast as possible so you can see them, and then we'll turn our attention to new content as we move towards the third exam. This week we'll start sort of a 2-week series on the autonomic nervous system, which is the division of your peripheral nervous system, which is controlled by the brain and the spinal cord. The division of your peripheral nervous system that sends impulses out to things that are not voluntary. So we're basically going to be talking about glands and smooth muscle. So this week we'll introduce it. There's a lot of anatomy to know. It will harken back to some of the nervous system content. So please take a look. Autonomic nervous system this week in lecture. And then in lab we will start blood vessels. So there's a video to watch and 24 blood vessels to learn for lab. Take a deep breath. We're on the downside. I know that you're getting good at this. You found out what works for you and you're kind of going with that. It really is just a matter of time. So we've got new content this week, lectures, autonomic nervous system. In the lab, we'll start to explore the major blood vessels of the body. There's a video about blood vessels in general for lab, and then there are 24 blood vessels to learn using the diagrams and to identify for the upcoming lab quiz. Next week, we will finish the autonomic nervous system and then also finish blood vessels. So this is kind of the first week in sort of a 2-week series in both lecture and lab. Thank you for the time, folks.